I drank water before. I've been doing that for years. And now suddenly, we're having a problem. How do you drink water incorrectly? Apparently there are cures. Hold your breath for as long as you can. If hiccups are a breathing problem, why are we solving them by not breathing? According to the internet, drinking water can cause hiccups, and drinking water can stop hiccups.
What?
You're the same liquid.
Pick a side.
Eat a spoonful of sugar. Sugar causes cancer. So now we have some choices. Cancer or hiccups. Cancer or hiccups. Let's see what else is in here. Get scared. Scared? Really? Most hiccups will go away on their own. I am Bowtie Bob. I ask questions, so you don't have to.
So, what are you waiting for? Why haven't you subscribed yet?